Look what you've done to me. I cannot breathe. Oh, look what you've done to me. I can't breathe. Look what you've done to me.
So you decided to stop by?
Yeah, I was in the area and I decided to pass through.
I'm really happy you did.
Nice little place.
Yeah, this is what is keeping me mentally stable at the moment.
Well, that's good to know.
It's still work in progress. I'll get there slowly but surely.
Well, at least you have something to occupy your mind. Like the bar.
Come, let me give you a tour.
So nobody don't know who responsible for it.
A different name I call, so we don't know for sure who.
Okay. So that seems to mean say war will start up back then.
Well, the police presence from up there.
If you know. But as soon as they gone a trouble.
I'm tired of the foolishness still, like peace can't last.
Based upon war go on still it coming like a some inside link, you see me?
I not even know.
A most inside link, man. Cause the man they know which party done there and just go for him.
If them can take 4 other man with him at a football match, that means to them heartless.
How King man a deal with it?
You know, same go up there go talk to the second in command.
King man have to watch himself still, you know. Cause it come like a be a loose ball game them a play over there so.
Auntie Jen tell him no go up there, no, but him nah hear.
Remember same place, you know. So him have to know what go on.
Yeah, but the place now run under no order.
You know what me a pray? Suppose I second set it up.
But I think the same thing too, you know.
Man to man is so unjust. Just can't know who to trust.
You rent the place?
No, I bought it.
Okay. Wow. The whole heap of space you have around here, so man.
Yes, this is where I host private events.
I have a pool too.
That's my added attraction. And remember, I love the water. Trevor, remember all those mornings at Calder Tours? And all the nights I would take a dip before I go to bed?
Yeah. I remember.
Well, it's really for tourist attraction.
Okay. Makes sense. So tell me, you have weekly attractions?
But now I have karaoke every Friday and it's doing really well. And on Saturdays I started at all you can eat.
Impressive. So tell me, are you deal with all of the day-to-day business? Well, that's good. You have to have somebody on the out front to do the work, you know? And I say, you sure say Tony alone you hide from?